as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of NearNormal convention is $2.11, and Near is as of now position No. 31 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of NearNormal convention is 848,051,611, with a market cap of $1,787,404,422.24. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 3 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Near has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 16.6%. Near convention has shown areas of strength for extremely of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Near has expanded by 61.75%, adding a Goliath normal measure of $1.30 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming it keeps on developing. Near convention value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Near convention costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Near convention will be $3.01. The most extreme level that the Near cost can reach is $3.49. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $3.12. Possible return for money invested. 67.8% by Near value figure for January 2023. In view of the value variances of Near convention toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Near pace of $2.19 in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $2 and at $2.25 individually. Expected return on initial capital investment, 8.2% by February 2023, Near convention value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure at the Near cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $2.15, while the most extreme could reach $2.36 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Near convention may be around $2.25. Expected return for capital invested, 13.5% by Near value conjecture for WAC 2023. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value variances of Near convention in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Near rate they foresee may be around $2.34 in WAC 2023. It can drop to $2.24 as a base. The greatest worth may be $2.45. Expected return for money invested, 17.8% by April 2023, Near convention value gauge. Around mid-year 2022, the Near cost will be exchanged at $2.39 by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Near convention worth to $2.54. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $2.29 in April 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 22.1% by Near value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Near convention costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $2.49. The most reduced and top Near rates may be $2.40 and $2.64. Expected return for money invested, 26.9% by June 2023, Near convention value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Near cost will be around $2.54. In June 2023, the Near convention cost might drop to at least $2.43. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2.76 in June 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 32.7% by Near value gauge for July 2023. Having examined Near convention costs, digital money specialists expect that the Near rate could arrive at a limit of $2.89 in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $2.55. For July 2023, the determined normal of Near convention is nearly $2.64. Expected return for capital invested, 38.9% by August 2023, Near convention value conjecture. Around mid-2022, the Near convention cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2.74. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Near cost could change somewhere in the range of $2.64 and $3. Likely return for capital invested, 44.2% by Near value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Near convention worth won't dip under at least $2.74. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $3.11. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $2.83. Likely return for money invested, 49.5% by October 2023. Near convention value figure, Digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of NearNormal costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their figure is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of NearNormal convention will be around $3.22, with a chance of dropping to at least $2.83. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $2.94. Expected return for money invested, 54.8% by NearNormal value estimate for November 2023. In light of the value vacillations of NearNormal convention toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical NearNormal pace of $3.06 in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $2.97 and at $3.37. Separately, expected return on initial capital investment, 62% by December 2023, NearNormal convention value gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture at the NearNormal cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $3.01, while the greatest could reach $3.49 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of NearNormal convention may be around $3.12. Possible return for capital invested, 67.8% by NearNormal convention value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of NearNormal convention in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of NearNormal convention will be around $4.42. The most extreme expected NearNormal cost might be around $5.26. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $4.57 in 2024. NearNormal convention value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of NearNormal convention, in 2025, NearNormal is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $6.35 and $7.69, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $6.58. NearNormal convention value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of NearNormal convention and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2026, the base NearNormal cost could drop to $9.42, while its most extreme can reach $11.30. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $9.75. NearNormal convention value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of NearNormal convention by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least NearNormal costs are normal in 2027, $16.34 and $14.05. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $14.44. NearNormal convention value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of NearNormal convention. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical NearNormal cost will be around $20.99. It could drop to at least $20.27, yet it actually could reach $24.17 all through 2028. NearNormal convention value expectation 2029. Consistently, digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of NearNormal convention. It is assessed that NearNormal will be